How to sign up for a new account on Paysafe Card. Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to easily register for a new account on Paysafe Card. For that, you can just open up your web browser and simply search for Paysafe Card. Hit enter and you'll see the paysafecard.com. Click on the first link that you see here. Now if you already have an account, you can continue on to log in, but if it's your first time, you're going to have to create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Once you click on that, you'll get to the registration page. Now you're going to have to select your country of residence. So just go ahead and select one that's available from this list. Let me just go ahead and select United States for now. Click on continue. Then you're just going to have to provide your email address to connect to your account and create a password that completes all of these requirements. Once you have created your password, you could also get offers from carefully selected Paysafe Card partners. If you want to get emails and offers, you can check this box. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Click on continue, and then you're going to have to verify your email. So what you do is open up your tab on email. So I'll just go ahead and open up a new tab and open up my email. They'll send you a verification link to your email address. You just have to click the button on the verification email. So here is the email that I've just gotten. So I'll just click on this, and then to verify, just click on confirm email. And now it's going to take you to this. Now you can close this page and continue with the sign up. Let's go back to our sign up page and click on continue. Email has been verified. Now provide your first name and last name, your date of birth, and then what you can do is click on continue. Now enter your street address, house number, and zip code. Once you enter all of those details, just go ahead and enter your mobile number, click on continue, and verify your mobile number. They'll send you an OTP code on your phone. Just verify that and you should be able to log in without any problem. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.